Today I'm going to show you how to create a neon effect in Canva. So head to Canva, create a design, custom size, select the size you want to use. So I'm going to quickly use a background, add a text, and then you want to go to effects, select neon, choose the color you want to use for the text. Red, I'm going to go for the pink. And then what you can do as well is to change the font. You can change it to many different ones like this. So that's really entirely up to you. I'm just gonna go for this one. And there you have it. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.